this is Manii and Iris, and today we'll show you some watering tips. And we have a veggie garden at back of our area. You're most welcome to have a look at it whenever you want to, and I'll showcase some of our stuff to you today. So this is the garden where we have all our veggies planted for this summer, and so today we'll be talking about some watering tips and tricks for this summer as the heat is getting on high. Get ready with your wands out. So first of all, if you're a morning person, water your plants in the morning. That's the best thing. But nature has got a second chance for you as well. You can always water it in the early evening. That'll also give it a bit of dry out period before the night temperatures drop down. Always water your plants if they need it, because overwatering can kill your plants as well. So I'll demonstrate how you can check if your plants need watering or not. Basically, you go around the root zone of your plant and you can dig in a bit, and if you feel the moisture in the soil and you feel the soil is damp, you need not to water your plant. And the other thing is, you can always use a moisture meter like this. You can stick it in the root zone and it'll give you if the soil is moist or not. So that gives you an idea and a bit of help if you're not good with feeling stuff. And the next thing is, you always want to water the base of your plants, not the leaves, because getting your leaves damp and not giving them a dry out period can push in some fungal and bacterial diseases, and that's not good for your plant. And always I use a personal trick that I use is water, wait and water. The thing is, this plant has moisture right now, but to showcase, I'll try one. So the thing is, I will be watering it a bit around the root zone and let the water seep down, penetrate down to the shallow roots. And then once the water seeps down, I'll water it again so it's nicely hydrated. And one thing to remember is, don't ever water your plants during the heat of the day. You will be losing most of the water with the evaporation in the heat, and there will be a lesser amount of water available to your plant. So you want to make sure most of the water that you're watering your plant with is available for the plant itself. And don't forget to mulch your garden, because that'll lock down the moisture in. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful and safe summer.